Oganesson. 1-1-8 at the edge of what we know. Period 7 sealed shut, last complete row. Group 18 on the chart, noble gas stamp on the frame. But that last box on the table might rewrite the game. Synthetic, super heavy, not mine, not pulled from ground. Forged and heavy on hits and gone almost as it's found. Only a handful of atoms, brief decay, chains traced. No bulk sample on the bench, nothing stored, weight or placed. OG is the symbol with 294 on file. Last confirmed slot got clocked in millisecond style. P-block endpoint where the neat textbook stops. Final confirmed element, but the frontier never locks. Oganesson OB. Last square in the chain. 118 on the chart, but the pattern won't stay plain. Group 18 on the grid. Code stand, blank stare, and into the known table. All trends break there. Here's the twist up front. That noble gas label misleds. Theory says this atom may not behave the way that label read. 94 less than a millisecond on the clock. Too brief for the lab. It's gone before they get a lock. Most of what we say comes from theory, not direct sight. Models map electrons under extreme nuclear might. Relativistic pressure hits hard. Nuclear charge runs deep. Fast electrons blur the map. Periodic trends slip. Predictions point more reactive than a noble gas should be. Some models make it solid, not the gas you thought you'd see. Strangest still if solid, then his band got me run thin. A semiconducting noble gas solid where old division spin. Oganesson OB. Last square in the chain. 118 on the chart, but the pattern won't stay plain. Group 18 on the grid. Old stand, blank stare, and into the known table. Old trends break there. Why chase an atom that vanishes on cue? At matter's edge, you learn which ideas stay true. A test if heavy nuclei hold, if shell effects still shield. How far the table really runs, what that border yields. It checks if periodic trends still track this far from the start. Where relativity and shell structure put old rules apart. No daily use product, no market pitch to defend. Its value is French in knowledge, the farthest measured end. Calcium 48 brought the heaviest edge in the view. That lane tops out at OG past that they need something new. Toward 119 with the data still run thin. Island of stability stays the reason they press in. Oganesson OG. Last square in the chain. 118 on the chart, but the pattern won't stay plain. Group 18 on the grid. Code stand, blank stare, and end of the known table. Old trends break there. The road wasn't clean and early Berkeley claim fell flat. Retracted when the evidence couldn't carry the facts. Then Dubner and Livermore built a tighter chain to prove. Californium 249 target locked for the shoot. Calcium 48 came in, heavy in for supply. 249 plus 48, 3 neutrons shed. OG arrives. Only a few nuclei in years of checking every trace. Cross checks, patient work, no room to fake the case. 2050 brought the green light, proof got the nod. 2016 fixed the name. Oganesson stamped his OG name for Yuri Oganesson, who had pushed the border on. Bass 118, the table waits, blank squares still on one. Oganesson OB. Last square in the chain. 118 on the chart, but the pattern won't stay plain. Group 18 on the grid. Code stand, blank stare, end of the known table. Old trends break there.